I guess it's just you and me.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Mr. President! Mr. President! You have returned to Camp Date. Too sexy for my shit! Bitch!
We're gonna have so much fun. I will never, ever leave you. I'm tired now.
So that was a fucking lie.
Time machine.
A time. What? Who told you that?
You did.
We're going back in time to the first giving off Thanksgiving. That's right. We're going back in time to the first giving off Thanksgiving. We're going back to the fact. What is that? Ow! A map. Will it lead us to the time machine?
They aren't gonna just write time machine on the...
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turd, sir.
That is weird, Agent.
Copy that. How do we dress it, sir?
With sauce. Funny, right?
Turd, sir. But seriously.
I have a plan. I discovered where the hunters store their hunters. We destroy the hunters. We stop the hunters. Yeah! There's no way I'm going near that thing! Reggie! This is our destiny!
Destined for what?
We did it! We went back in time to the first Thanksgiving. Hello, turkeys. We've come. Your name to save.
Stop talking! I'll show you, trash. What are you looking at?
I don't know, something amazing.
Those are some angry birds.
That's my stuff.
Have you heard about the duckin'? Actually, we're going back in time to get duckin'.